Hi, I'm Seiple here with Madrax. Today we're going to look at the repair stand and the fill-up station. If you've ever been on the road or a bike path and had a minor mechanical on your bike, flat tire, maybe your chain sounded funny, a repair station like this is a great place to stop to make a minor fix on your way home. The repair stand comes with 8 different tools to help minor fixes get done. One of the most common ones is going to be our Allen keys. On modern bikes now, almost everything on here can be adjusted by an Allen key, from brakes to your stem to your seat. Even some of your pedals can be done with Allen keys. Another very popular one is going to be the tire lever. Most times you're going to see one of these is probably because you have a flat. This will help you remove the tire without hurting your fingers. One great thing about this tire lever is it actually has a plastic opener in it, so you don't harm the new air tube that you put in there. Some other tools in here are going to be some screwdrivers, both a flat and a fill-up. Most commonly you're going to see the fill-up, and what these are going to be for is helping you eliminate screws, both your front and your back derailleur. Some older bikes you can use that on more as well when it comes to the brakes. Another common one you're going to see used is going to be the pedal wrench. It's skinny, so you can fit into the pedal area here very easily to be able to adjust and move your pedal if you need to. One fun fact about this is if you're looking to remove the pedal, normally you go lefty-loosey. Well, actually it's opposite. You should go right to loosen it. Finally, we have a couple of wrenches down here, adjustable and also a smaller 10 and 8 size wrench. These aren't more commonly used on the newer bikes, they're more on the older bikes to remove your tires and also tighten a couple different things. One last thing to point out too, the repair stand comes with a QR sticker which you can scan to do some videos so you know what you're doing if you aren't an experienced bike mechanic. Finally, after you get done with them, if you want to make sure you have air in your tires, we have a fill-up station right here, which you can put air in both your front and back tires, and it does have a gauge to get the proper weight on each tire. This is our repair stand and fill-up station, so you get minor fixes done so you can make your way home safe and sound. Thank you for joining us today. Have a great one.